Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT to write persuasive Facebook ad copies that make people buy. I'm going to be showing you how to write ad copies using ChatGPT that attract the buying crowd that will click on your Facebook ad, enter your sales page and order for your product. So if you want to learn how to do this today, make sure you watch this video to the end. But before we go into the practical section of this video, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, because in this YouTube channel I share actionable tips that can help you grow your e-commerce business and scale it to the moon. So let's dive right into the practical section of this video. Thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to write a an attention-grabbing Facebook ad copy using ChatGPT. An attention-grabbing Facebook ad copy that will attract buyers, the clicks of buyers, people who buy on Facebook. So now, instead of just going randomly to ChatGPT and asking ChatGPT to write a Facebook ad copy for us, we are going to give ChatGPT a set of templates, because we don't want random Facebook ad copies. We want targeted ad copies that are already structured in a way that will make people read, click, and buy. So these are the 5 Facebook ad templates that we're going to be giving ChatGPT. We're going to say templates 1, ask 3 questions that the customer will say yes to. The question must either target their pain points or call out their deepest desires. Then introduce the products, describe how it will give them the transformation that they desire. Give them an irresistible offer, then a strong call to action. Then template 2, an attention grabbing hook stroke headline. Describe the product and how it will transform the life of the customer after using it. Describe the negative things that will stop. Describe the positive things that they will experience. Give them an amazing offer they cannot refuse. Then a strong call to action. Template 3, describe how the product will help them fulfill their deepest fantasy. Give them 3 more benefits. Benefit 1, benefit 2, benefit 3. Give them a powerful offer they cannot refuse. Give them a strong reason to act now. Give them a strong call to action. Template 4, storytelling ad copy. Describe what you did to achieve a desired outcome that the audience deeply desires, or stop a problem that the audience has. Describe the problem in form of a short story and how it affected you negatively. Describe how you tried many things that never work. Then introduce the product. Describe how it transformed your life for good. Encourage other people to try it out and experience the transformation. Then drop your name and location. Then 4 asterisks, inform the readers that this is a customer review. Give them an amazing offer. Encourage them to take action now and not hesitate or they lose the offer. Give them a strong call to action. Then template 5, give them a mouth-watering offer. Give them a strong reason why they must take action now by injecting urgency and scarcity. Give them a call to action. So now, after these templates, what we are going to do is we are going to write a prompt that we are going to give ChatGPT to work on. We will say, hello ChatGPT, I want to write 5 persuasive Facebook ad copy for my products Slimora Detox Tea, a weight loss tea. Using the 5 templates above, the offer for this product is one sachet 18,500. Buy two sachets for 28,000 and get one sachet as a free gift. So this is a hello ChatGPT. I want to write 5 persuasive Facebook ad copies for my product Slimora Detox Tea, a weight loss tea, using the 5 templates above. Using the 5 templates above. The 5 templates above. The offer for this product is one sachet 18,500. Buy 2 sachets for 28,000 and get one sachet as a free gift. I want the Facebook ad copy to be precise and punchy plus easy to read. No unnecessary words. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to select everything on this page and copy it and then go to ChatGPT and place it into ChatGPT. So we'll go to ChatGPT and then we are going to place it inside and then submit it to them to see what they'll say. So see what ChatGPT will generate. So you can see that it has given us different headlines. Let's read through it. Absolutely, I'll give you this short, punchy, benefit-driven, easy to scan while avoiding guaranteed weight loss claims. Template 1, 3S questions. Are you tired of feeling uncomfortable in your body? Do you wish you could support your weight management goals without complicated routines? Would you love a simple tea you can add to your daily wellness routine? Meet Slimora Detox Tea, a convenient herbal tea designed to support your weight loss management and wellness journey while helping you stay committed to your goals. Sachet 1, 18,500. Buy 2 sachets for 28,000 and get one free. These 3 sachets for just 28,000 naira. Send a DM or now to order yours. You can change this send a DM to click on the link below to order now. Let's read template 2. Attention grabbing hook. Your weight management journey doesn't have to feel complicated. Meet Slimora Detox Tea, an easy addition to your daily wellness routine. It can help you stay consistent with your weight management goals while supporting a healthier lifestyle. Imagine having a simple routine you can actually stick with. Simple, convenient, and easy to incorporate into your offer. One sachet 18,500. Buy 2 for 28,000 and get one free. You pay for 2, you get 3 sachets. Why wait? Order for Slimora Detox Tea now. Template 3, deepest desire. Imagine feeling more confident and comfortable in your body again. That's the goal behind Slimora Detox Tea. And add it to your daily wellness routine as you work towards your weight management goals, and you get more than just convenience. It supports your weight management journey, helps you maintain consistent wellness routine, easy to prepare and incorporate into your day. Special offer: buy 2 sachets for 28,000 naira and get 1 sachet completely free. That's 3 sachets for 28,000 naira instead of 55,000 naira. Don't miss this current offer. Click on the link below to order now. Template 4, storytelling ad. I knew I needed to take my weight management journey more seriously. I had tried different approaches before, but the hardest part was always maintaining a simple routine I could actually stick with. Then I discovered Slimora Detox Tea. I added it to my daily wellness routine and found it much easier to stay consistent with my goals. No complicated preparation, no stressful routine. Just simple tea I could incorporate into my day. It If you are also working towards your waste management goals, limonade detox tea may be worth adding to your routine. Special offer 18,500, but here is a better deal. Buy two for 28,000 naira and get one sachet free. Three sachets for 28,000 naira. Don't wait until the offer changes. Send us a message now to place your order. Then template 5, irresistible offer, limonade detox tea special offer. Buy one sachet 18,500, but why buy one when you can get three sachets for 28,000 naira? Buy three sachets for 28,000 naira and get one sachet for free. Dat three sachets for 28,000 naira, perfect for anyone serious about building a consis ten t weight management routine. Dis offer won't last forever. Click on the link below to order now. Dat is it. So you can just copy dis and then send it to your Google Doc and then use it to run your Facebook ad. That is how you write a persuasive and profitable Facebook ad copy that will attract buyers. So that is how you do it. Thank you. Now, with this set of tutorial, I'm sure that you have learned how to write profitable and persuasive Facebook ad copies that attract buying audience using ChatGPT. If you want to learn more, make sure you go through my channel, watch more videos. That have a lot of amazing videos that we can learn something from. And also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I teach actionable and profitable tips that can help you grow your e-commerce business. Also, make sure you like this video so that this video can spread to more people that need it. And also, if you want to learn more from me, you can also get my courses. I have the Millionaire Maker Hot Product Blueprints that will show you a list of 10 hot selling products that you can start selling today to start making money online. I will also teach you how to grow a profitable WhatsApp audience, a profitable email list that consistently puts money in your pocket, that buys your products, that buys your services and puts money in your pocket. I have that course, link in the description. And also, I can also create a done for you sales funnel. I have a program called the Done for You Brand to Cash Sales Funnel System, where I will create everything from A to Z for your sales funnel. I'll help you create your product mock-up. I'll help you create Facebook ad copies. I'll help you create Facebook ad headlines. I'll also help you create a profitable and persuasive sales page that makes people buy. All you need to do is implement that sales funnel, go and run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, wherever, and start cashing out, start getting those orders. I'll help you create that sales funnel. It's called the Brand to Cash Sales Funnel System. If you are interested in getting this sales funnel for yourself, click on the link in the description to learn more and sign up today. So this is all about this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.